Hello, hello, hello. Wherever you are, Blender family, on our wonderful planet called Earth, I wish you great peace and happiness wherever you are. In this lesson, I'm going to use the seldom discussed topic in Blender. I've been using Blender since version 2.76, and I never heard someone go in great detail about how to use those nodes. They may have a node here, or they may do no node there, but no one has ever shown profound knowledge using nodes. Or better yet, they never show us how to use every last node. And using nodes, after you know how to model well, you don't even have to model well to use nodes. Using nodes give your creation Hollywood level pizzazz. For instance, I love to use this example. Everybody have seen a movie? I hope you have Man of Steel. When he used them Kryptonian laser beams, that was created via a compositor. So let's get into Blender's compositor in our lesson for today. As usual, you click on Use Nodes. We have our nodes. Before I even start doing anything, I want to render this. So let me go over here and bring this back. Header, Show Menus. Let me render this so I can get it into that node. I have an i5. It's not a speed demon. And okay, so we have our viewer. It's not showing nothing yet. It should. Let me bring in my viewer node. So add output viewer node. Now it's showing something. Now one of the biggest changes of Blender 2.80 over the previous versions of Blender 2.7 on downwards is now when we have the viewer node. It got that little box there. That little box, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it can move all around. But I discovered something. I'm not an expert at it. When you move that crosshairs out the screen, it's hard to bring back the picture. If you like my discussion so far, on the node that we're going to use, we're going to be using, let me see, what node we're going to be using, add, distort. We're going to use the translate node today. If you find this appealing, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to keep furthering your knowledge how to use nodes in Blender 2.80, please subscribe. One thing I found hard, you see this little box the crosshairs in it? When I move it off the screen, it's hard to get them crosshairs back, and I can't move my box anymore. I can't find a way how to move my box. Can somebody please show me how to move that box? And I'll give a better example in a few minutes. I want to add a node again. I like to use layout. My favorite one is called reroute. It makes it look more tidy to my eyes. Reroute. I'm going to connect this to the viewer node. I have a new mouse, so I have to get used to it. So pardon my little mistakes. I'm getting used to my mouse with the button. Oh, there it is. The thing I'm having trouble with, you see the crosshairs, if I move it all the way off the screen, I'm having trouble getting that box back. Can somebody tell me how to do that? And see, I can grab it now because I know where it's at. That's why I'm I mean, if I let go of my mouse button, I cannot get that crosshair again. I'm having trouble with that. So somebody let me know. Alright. If you want to resize your the image you split, just hit the V key. You see it's getting smaller. And when you keep making it smaller and you click back on the viewer node, you see these little handles right here, and you can adjust the size. That's the beauty of Blender 2.80. You can move it around like that, and you can adjust the size of it. Now let's get into the translate node. I go to add. I go to distort. I'm going to use translate. Here it is right here. Now I discovered something about the translate. When we use the compositor, one of the benefits of the composite is non-destructive. So keep that in mind. Your original model is never touched. Nothing is done to it. We're just adding like special effects. That's all. So I got it on the translate node. Let me click on the X and let me see what happened. You see what's happening? This translate node, it moves the whole rendered image. As you see right here, you see that black area? The whole it's not moving that cube. The cube is still stationary with inside that rendered image. So that's all a translate node can do. But it does have some uses, good people, because if I use the you know those special keys, I forgot what it's called, the I key. I forgot what it's called. If I hit the I key, I can perform some task on it, like I just now did, and I can have an animation of something being off screen, then it coming back. If you don't want to use no fancy camera effects. Let me go down to the Y. Let me zoom in. Like I said, I'm still getting used to this mouse right here. I gotta figure out how to zoom in. But anyway, I'm not gonna hold you, but I get used to my my mouse later on. I'm gonna hit the Y. You see, the whole rendered image is moving, and it moves so much. Let me see how much it's gonna move. See, it's starting to disappear in a certain screen area that I have set. And no matter how large or small I make this viewer image, that Y is taken off the screen. Now, if you wanted to, I haven't done this, I guess you can make you know, your rendered image transparent. Since it's not transparent, the background is still black. Let me move it back to its original position of 0. You see how fast it moved? So you can use this in your animations. But that's it, my good people, about the translate node. All it does is take your rendered image, then complete rendered image, and move it to different X and Y areas, and that, I guess you can say the viewer, or yeah, the viewer. It does not move the object, the model. If you go back to the 3D scene, your model is still stuck in that same spot wherever it was located. Translate, it just take the scene and move it from the X and Y axis. It does have its applications. Alright, thank you for stopping by and learning about the translate node. Until the next episode, peace.